I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. Google Workspace Business Plus, or Enterprise, or Education editions often include pooled or unlimited storage once thresholds are met. Use your admin account to verify your domain and attach billing. This is required. Once done, enable billing and assign seats for users so pooled storage thresholds apply. Make sure to choose whether you will rely on shared drives for pooled storage or allocate personal accounts for heavy users, because that decision affects migration and permissions later. You now configure admin settings, enable shared drives, set retention rules, and adjust access policies so large folders live in pooled locations. Use Google Workspace Migrate or Drive File Stream to transfer data in batches. Perform test migrations to validate paths and permissions. Once migration flows, consolidate orphan files into shared drives to count against pooled limits. Make sure to convert personal ownership to the org where needed. Monitor the admin console regularly to confirm storage reporting and threshold changes take effect. You finish by verifying that all heavy datasets are owned by your organization and reside in shared drives, and confirm licensed user counts meet the provider's unlimited storage criteria. Once done, update admin procedures and train staff on upload best practices and monitoring. If you still hit limits, make sure to check for retention holds, undeleted orphan files, or unlicensed users. These often block pooled calculations. As a troubleshooting tip, temporarily enable detailed storage reports and isolate accounts causing unexpected consumption.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.